And well, after Assam government decided to stop state funding to madrasas, BJP is now demanding that the model must be emulated in the state of Maharashtra as well. Listen in to what Atul Bhatkarkar had to say.
आसाम के भारतीय जनता पार्टी गवर्नमेंट ने मदरसाओं के ऊपर पाबंदी डालकर जो उचित कदम उठाया है, उसी प्रकार का कदम महाराष्ट्र के हिंदुत्ववादी मुख्यमंत्री उद्धव ठाकरे जी उठाए और महाराष्ट्र सरकार से मदरसाओं को जो आर्थिक मदद दी जाती है वो तत्काल बंद करे। इस प्रकार की मांग मैंने माननीय मुख्यमंत्री उद्धव ठाकरे जी को खत लिखकर आज की है। इसके कारण मुस्लिम समाज के बच्चे ये राष्ट्रीय प्रभाव में आकर आधुनिक शिक्षा प्राप्त करेंगे। साथ में शिया वक्फ बोर्ड के अध्यक्ष रिजवी जी, इन्होंने आज एक साक्षात्कार में मदरसाओं के माध्यम से देश के विरोध में अलग अलग बातें सिखाई जाती है, उस दिशा में भी महाराष्ट्र के मदरसाओं की जांच करे, ये मांग भी मैंने मुख्यमंत्री जी को लिखे हुए खत में की है। मुझे आशा है हिंदुत्ववादी मुख्यमंत्री इस दोनों विषयों पर तुरंत कार्रवाई करेंगे।
So the story that is getting bigger as the BJP is now demanding that funding must be stopped to madrasas, and this is a model that must be emulated by the Maharashtra government as well. This a day after the Assam government made the announcement that it is stopping the funding to madrasas. This has taken center stage as the Congress also attempted to politicize this move. Congress leader Udit Raj, who also went on to say that in that case, if the Assam government has stopped funding to madrasas, then they must stop funding for the annual Kumbh Mela as well. We have been getting you non-stop reactions, and this is the latest demand coming in from the BJP as they are saying that the Maharashtra Chief Minister must follow the move of the Assam government and the model that must be emulated by the Maharashtra government. Let's listen in to what Atul Bhatkarkar has said once again. All right, I believe Atul Bhatkarkar is joining us on the phone line. He's speaking to us live this minute. Atul ji, we heard your stand on this entire issue, and you're saying that the model must be emulated by the Maharashtra government as well. Why do you say that? Your reasons for the same, and how do you think the Maharashtra government is going to take your reaction?
See, today I have sent letter to Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra asking him to stop all financial help he is giving to the madrasas, because in all madrasas they are teaching religious things at the taxpayers' money. So this is against the secularism and also against the Hindutva philosophy, which Chief Minister of Maharashtra always say, still I am not, I am a Hindutvadi person. And so I hope the Chief Minister will take decision with immediate effect. He will not think about his power and Chief Ministership. So that is my stand, basically.
But we know how the Congress has tried to politicize this move, and how Udit Raj has also gone on to say that in that case the government must stop funding for the Kumbh Mela also. Now let's not forget that the Shiv Sena is in coalition with the Congress in Maharashtra, and they have been under a lot of pressure. A lot of ideologies against that they have gone against their own because of having to keep the coalition intact. So, in that case, how is the Shiv Sena likely to respond? I beg your pardon.
In fact, that we are expecting from Shiv Sena to take some bold decision, because after becoming Chief Minister of Maharashtra with compromising with Shiv Sena and NCP, still Uddhav Thackeray day in and day out is saying that still I am a Hindutvadi. Day before yesterday, when he has written letter to the Governor of Maharashtra regarding the opening of religious places, at that time also he stated, I do not want anybody's certificate for my Hindutva philosophy. So we are saying to him that he is the son of Hindu Hriday Samrat Balasaheb Thackeray. So forget about Hindutva philosophy of party like BJP. At least he should emulate the philosophy of Hindu Hriday Samrat Balasaheb Thackeray, and he should open the religious places. He is opening metro he has already opened the restaurant, bars, but he is still not ready to open religious places, mandirs. And when Assam government has took very secular decision, then now at least Uddhav Thackeray should follow that decision. But even he is not ready to implement CA Act, which introduced by central government. In Maharashtra, there is one committee for last 8 months which is studying on CA. So if Thackeray is saying, I am a real Hindutwadi person, then he should close down all madrasas in the Maharashtra state. That is my demand.